Hello gardeners. Today I will show you an awesome way to sow seeds for seedlings, at which you will get very fast shoots. Now about everything in order. You will need a pot that should at least be 2 inches deep. Of course it can be a little less, but then you will not be able to keep seedlings in it for a long time. Then you need soil. In my case, this is a universal purchased soil. But for this method, even ordinary soil from your garden is suitable. We do not completely fill the container with soil. This is necessary for the normal sowing of seeds, as well as in order to make it convenient to then water. And the most important thing that we need is ordinary dry towels that are sold in a roll, or you can take toilet paper. You need to cut it into strips about 1 inch wide, and the length of your entire container. Put them on top of the soil. The soil, as you can see, is dry. Since I will be growing 2 varieties of eggplant here, I immediately outlined with a marker which one I will grow. Well, in fact, now we start sowing. Spread the seeds, in my case, as I said, eggplants. And also in this way you can sow peppers, tomatoes, onion seeds, and we will get quick shoots. Then the paper needs to be moistened. You can do it with a sprayer, or how I do it. Thus the seeds stick to the paper, and they can no longer move anywhere. And on top I pour coconut substrate. It is also very moisture absorbing and breathable, and therefore, in this combination of paper and coconut substrate, the seeds germinate quickly. But if you use ordinary soil from the garden, then you cannot pour the coconut substrate on top. The main thing is to lay the paper. It will retain moisture under the seeds for a long time. Well, then we carry out watering. And if you lay out the coconut substrate is already wet, then you won't even need to water it. And the essence of such sowing seeds is that such paper is very moisture intensive. And the main problem of seed germination is that either there is too much moisture. Some inexperienced gardeners, thinking that there is not much moisture, fill the soil in their containers with seeds and the seeds rot. As well as those who are very worried. On the contrary, they try to water less, and because of this, the soil dries up at the depth of sowing seeds. And the seed just can't germinate. And using this method, you cannot water the containers with seeds abundantly, since the paper absorbs a sufficient amount of moisture into itself and will gradually give it to the seeds. So the seedlings are very fast and friendly. So friends, when you start to sow your seedlings, be sure to try this method, and you will see how your seeds germinate quickly. At the same time, it will not be necessary to cover the top of the container with film or glass, so as not to create a greenhouse effect and an increased amount of condensate there, which in most cases leads to the formation of mold and fungus on the soil surface, which then can lead to the death of your seedlings or the seedlings themselves. So friends, if the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.